It has been days, but my term project is getting nowhere. The deadline is near. Yes, InfoLit for you! The skills to use information critically, creatively, and wisely for my project. That's what I need now. Achieve wiser learning? Great! Let's see! It is decided by the Library of 8 universities in Hong Kong. In a course, I will learn through familiar situations. Identify information needed for my research. Search and develop my project ideas. Formulate ideas to make it even better. Connect my ideas to form better ones. And learn through working with others.
Hello!
I haven't thought about it before. This course comes in handy for me to reflect what I have learned at the university. All these are important to my learning and future careers. Wow! There's our 8 modules that explains how InfoLit works in these subjects. I can learn from real professionals about how they use information at their job. That's awesome! I have to recommend this MOOC to my friends.
Yo, what's up?
Thanks, buddy!
Yeah!
I know what I need to do now.
So, what are you waiting for? Join us now.